Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. We're going to talk about some weird stuff today. Hygiene, or should I say another option for hygiene. Personally, I have dude wipes and wet wipes and toilet paper. That's what I carry with me, just in case I have the butt pee or just have to use the bathroom. I keep it with me. However, they make a thing that turns a bottle of water into a portable bidet. I haven't used it, so I can't say how good it works. And I haven't used it because I would have to strip down butt-ass naked to use it, or I would get dookie water all over me. Like, I don't know. I lack the finesse to use it and not make myself covered in sewage. My buddy Eve got me this, and I think it's super cool. The part that makes it the coolest, I think, is it glows in the dark, which is just kind of strange for a booty hole washing apparatus. Or, you know, ladies could use this too, but it's called the CULO CLEAN, so it is for cleaning booty holes. And it turns bottles of water into, this is what it looks like. It'll focus. Come on, focus. There you go. Come on, Brad. You can pause it there and read it. CULO CLEAN. This is what it looks like. And the way you use it is you stuff it in a bottle of water, and then where's the area? Squeeze it and just wash the shit out of yourself. Oh, got evil Bo Wiggle coming down the road. But it fits a couple different size water bottles. The lower one is just your standard, what are they, 16 ounce water bottles, something like that. 16.9. And the top one would just fit a little larger one. I don't guess I have a bottle of water that the top one will fit. But the idea is pretty fun. I'm not gonna lie. It's pretty ingenious. It would be, I think it would be hard for me to use personally. Like I think if I pulled my pants down and then just tried like hovering, or it just seems like it would be really involved, hanging onto a tree while I'm trying to keep everything off of my clothes. But yeah, you know, if you were not into wearing many clothes, or I guess you could practice in the backyard, which would just be kind of weird, until you were a master of the CULO CLEAN. Pretty wild though. I mean, I was trying to think of maybe if you could use it for like irrigation for a wound or something, but like I think you could just poke a hole in the top of a water bottle, like if we was going to do that. But yeah, the CULO CLEAN, guys. If anybody has experience with these things, I'm sure somebody will comment something in the comments anyway on how the best way to do this is. So y'all make sure y'all check that out. There's always some pretty good comments on these things, but I just wanted to share. I thought it was pretty wild. And the glow in the dark part is, you know, I guess so you can, it ain't bright enough to reflect off your backside so you can see what you're doing, but maybe it's just for the disco part of it, I guess. Anyway, CULO CLEAN for your private parts. Alright guys, appreciate the support. Check out all of our older stuff at Bushcraft Kelso on Instagram, bushcraftkelso.com for gizmos and gadgets. CULO CLEAN. Clean yourself. Later.